Have you ever had a moment where reality didn't feel quite right? A feeling of déjà vu, or a coincidence that felt too perfect to be random? What if I told you that these aren't just tricks of the mind, but potential glitches in a massive, cosmic computer program? Welcome to the simulation theory. This is the mind-bending hypothesis that our entire universe, the Earth, the stars, your house, and even you, might be a computer simulation created by a civilization far more advanced than our own. It sounds like the plot of The Matrix, but this idea is taken very seriously by tech billionaires like Elon Musk and respected physicists around the world. To understand why this is possible, we just have to look at our own history. Think about video games from 40 years ago. We had games like Pong, which was just two white rectangles and a dot on a black screen. It was primitive. Now, look at today. We have virtual reality, photorealistic graphics, and massive open worlds played by millions of people simultaneously. If you show a modern video game to someone from the 1970s, they wouldn't believe their eyes. Now, imagine where we will be in 10,000 years. If humanity doesn't destroy itself, our computing power will become virtually infinite. We will be able to create simulations so detailed that the characters inside them will have consciousness. They will think they are real. They will love, they will cry, and they will go to work, never knowing they're just code on a hard drive. This brings us to the statistical argument. If it is possible to create these simulations, an advanced civilization would likely run billions of them to study their own history or just for entertainment. This means there would be billions of fake universes, but only one real, base universe. Statistically, what are the odds that you are in the one, single, real universe? It is billions to 1. It is far more likely that you are in one of the simulations right now. But is there any proof? Scientists point to some strange things in physics that look a lot like computer code. First, there is the Planck length. In our universe, there is a minimum unit of distance. You cannot get smaller than the Planck length. This suggests that our reality is pixelated, just like a screen image is made of pixels. The universe has a resolution limit. Second, consider the speed of light. Nothing can travel faster than light. Why is there a speed limit? In a computer simulation, this would represent the maximum processing speed of the system, the fastest rate at which information can be transmitted across the grid. Third, and perhaps most spooky, is quantum mechanics. In video games, to save processing power, the computer only renders the part of the world the player is looking at. If you aren't looking at a mountain in a game, the computer doesn't bother drawing it in high detail. Quantum physics shows us something similar. Subatomic particles exist in a state of probability, a wave, until they are observed. Once we look at them, they snap into a fixed position. It is as if the universe only renders reality when a conscious mind is watching it. This is famously known as the observer effect, and it haunts physicists to this day. So, who created us? Are they our descendants running an ancestor simulation? Are we an experiment? Or is this a game, and we are just the non-player characters? It is a terrifying thought, but also a liberating one. If this is a simulation, it means reality is far more mysterious and magical than we ever imagined. Whether you are made of atoms or computer bits, your feelings and experiences are real to you. Next time you look up at the night sky, just remember, you might be staring at the world's most advanced screensaver. Thanks for watching. If you think you are real, Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown.